So how do we get the last item of this list? Well, you can do that by referring to the list and then square brackets and then refer to the index of the item you want. So 9.9 has an index of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but a smarter way is to use negative indexing, which means instead of counting you can just write -1 and you get 9.9. So each of the items of a Python list has two indexes, a negative and a positive index. So -1 for this, -2 for that, -3, -4, -5. So -5 is the first item actually, 9.1. And of course you can do list slicing using negative indexing. Let's try to get the last two items. So to do list slicing you have to put the index of the first item of the slice. So the first item of the slice is 6.6 and 6.6 has a negative index of 2. Use a colon, and then you don't want to assign anything here because you want everything that comes after 6.6. So just like that, and you get the tail of the list. So similarly you can do -4, -2 for example. That will give you 8.8, -4, -3, and -2 is not included in the slice because I told you that the upper limit is never included in the slice. So you only get this and that. You can also start from the beginning of the list to get 9.1, the first item, like that.